Hello students, once again we are going to discuss the rest part of adverbial clause. Okay, in previous class I just tell you three types of adverbial clause. Today we will discuss with the fourth part. Okay, so for that just start. Okay, on fourth, we have to understand it is an adverbial clause of degree or comparison. Degree or comparison means degree or comparison both used for the same. It means that what degree something is done. What is the degree means at what level the things is going to be done. Understood? Something is done or sometimes it offer a comparison. Means if we are seeing the level of anything, okay, it is natural there is a comparison. If we talk about the level of anything, naturally we got the comparison. So degree and comparison you can understand by level and comparison. Okay, this adverbial clause often start with then, as, dot dot, means between this some words are there, as, so as, the, like this you have to, means in that sentence you will got a comparison or you got some type of level. Okay, let's see the example. She is not so bright as she thinks she is. Okay, but this word so bright as, so as, okay, so bright as she thinks, this is the starting words of adverbial clause of comparison or degree. Okay, similarly here as also, as, dot 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 means smart, especially these two words always where is a comparison, there you found a adjective. क्वालिटी की तो कंपेरिजन होती है. He is not tall as she thought. Okay, he is as smart as he is tall. Okay, so this type of question come when you found a comparison, you just find or level, you find this type of words are there in the gap filling. Okay, so in degree of comparison we found this word and this is the example. She is not, comparison is there, or we have to see some type of level we got from the example. I think you understand. Okay, let's see the another adverbial clause, that is the adverbial clause of condition. Okay, adverbial clause of condition. Condition, you know, condition कोई स्थिति, कोई विशेष स्थिति, some type of special scenario or circumstances states the condition of the main idea. Means in the sentence you found some type of main idea is going on. Okay, some type of main idea states the condition of that particular main idea come into effect, which is going to be effective, which is having a effect. Okay, so state the condition of the main idea. This type of adverbial clause state some things about the main idea of the condition. Okay, only two words you have to understand here, if or unless. Any adverbial clause start with if or unless where we found that type of condition, some type of special condition. So here in this particular example you just found a example, if the facts don't fit the theory. This is the very famous quotation of Albert Einstein. Very famous quotation of Albert Einstein. If the facts don't fit the theory. Okay, if the facts don't fit the theory, change the facts. Understood? So this part is called adverbial clause of condition. The facts don't fit the theory, often start with if. Means there is a condition, अगर ऐसा हुआ तो होगा. Okay, another example which is valuable for you also, you would not pass unless you work hard. You would not pass unless you work hard. So this part start with unless and this part start with if. Both are representing the condition of the main idea of the sentence. Okay, which is effective, which is effective. So this part and this part is called adverbial clause of condition. Understood? Okay. Next. Okay. Now we are thinking about the concession. Concession means what? Some types of legibility, or we can say chhoot. Understood? Some type of legibility or chhoot, relaxation. Okay. The statement offers which contrasts with the main idea, where we found some type of contrast, means another view. Okay. It starts with though, although, even though, while, whereas, or even if. These are the starting word of the adverbial clause. You have to understand what is the value of a starting word. When you found concession, these are the words which is the most suitable for gap filling or error or omission. So this part of every adverbial clause you have to focus on. Okay. Now let's see the example. Though he is poor. The word though he is poor, he is always neatly pressed. Though he is poor, he is always neatly pressed. This part of sentence or this is clause start with though, which is given the concession, means the offers some type of contrast, which is not habit. Okay, means it is presenting contrast from the main idea, means which is अंडरस्टूड इन द बेटर वे, जो मान्यता है पहले से उससे अलग होके ये ऑफर कर रहे हैं. अंडरस्टूड? ऐसे केसेस में वी कैन से दैट पार्ट ऑफ सेंटेंस और दैट क्लॉज इज कॉल्ड एडवर्बियल क्लॉज ऑफ कंसिस्टेंट. लेट्स सी द अनदर एग्जांपल आल्सो. ए लाउड वॉइस कैनॉट कंप्लीट विथ ए क्लियर वॉइस. लाउड वॉइस कैनॉट कंप्लीट विथ ए क्लियर इवन इफ इट्स ए विस्पर. दिस इज कंडीशन. ए लाउड वॉइस cannot be complete with a clear voice. This part start with even if it's a whisper. This is the clause. Understood? Adverbial clause. Okay, I think you understand also. Okay, now let's move the next, that is the last. Here adverbial clause of reason. This is the last part. Reason means you got the idea, means sometimes the cause, reason or cause. It is also called the adverbial clause of cause. Okay, which represents the cause or reason for the main idea. Okay, this is as, because, given, hence. These are the keywords which you find in the start of the adverbial clause of reason. Okay, let's see the example. I sing because I like singing. I sing. What is the reason of singing? Means this part is giving the reason of this part. Okay, again we got the reason every time or cause. He didn't come because he was suffering from, because the reason is presenting due to fever he was not present. Okay, similarly here, as it is raining, as it is raining again the rain has started, we will have to cancel the match. Means what is the reason of cancelling the match? It is representing by this word which start with the word as. This is called adverbial clause of reason. Understood? This part representing the reason for the other, that is called reason or cause for the other. So you understand very well the what is adverbial. Now you have to understand, means in every adverbial clause you just understand these keywords and what is representing. On that basis you have to fill the gap, and on that basis you have to do the error and omission, and on that basis whatever the question asked in the examination you have to do. In the next class I come with one exercise in what way you have to understand, you have to focus and you will do it. Okay, I think you better understand. Okay, for any query you are free to ask from various links. Okay, thank you.